Have you noticed how some posts with small creators suddenly blew up, while others with thousands of followers stay invisible? It's not magic, it's not favoritism, it's behavior signals, and the algorithm is watching everything. People think the algorithm is a person choosing favorites. No, 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 no. Big no. It's more like a security guard at a party. When you post, your content does not go to everyone. It gets sent to a small group of people or being experimented first. Your followers and sometimes non-followers. Then the algorithm asks, how did people react? Not just likes. It watches human behavior patterns. 1. Did people stop scrolling? Scroll speed matters. If someone stopped even 2 to 3 minutes, or 2 to 3 seconds longer than usual, that's a signal. Something here is interesting. Number 2, did people do something? The algorithm loves effort actions. Comments, shares, saves, replies, profile, clicks, or visits. These say that people don't just see this, they felt something. Number 3, how long did they stay on videos? Did they watch till the end? They did rewatch on post. Did they swipe carousels? Did they read the caption? Time, interest. Interest, value. Value, more rich. May I repeat? Time is interest. Interest is value. Value would mean more rich. Next is, we have number 4. Did conversations happen? A post with nice pic, that's no, no, no. X versus a post with back and forth replies. Especially when you are commenting that post of other creators and someone would engage, then you will have those exchange of conversation. That's really terrific. It's algorithm preferences. The back and forth replies. Remember that. The algorithm poses discussion, not decoration. Here's the truth. Creators avoid. The algorithm does not post content because you work hard, because you posted daily, because you use hashtags. It posts content because this made people stop, react, and engage. That's why small creators can go viral overnight. Not because they are lucky, because they triggered human behavior and the algorithm followed. So, how do you get noticed? Make content that causes at least one of these. 1. Curiosity. Number 2. Emotion. Number 3. Relatability. Number 4. Surprise. Number 5. Value people want to share. Because when humans respond, the algorithm responds.